Hi, Hippie Mágica here. Welcome to the channel of self-love, magic, and manifestation. So today I wanted to talk about how manifestation has changed my life. Yesterday I talked about how Ho'oponopono has changed my life, and now I wanted to talk about just pure manifestation, which is the law of attraction. So before I implemented manifestation consciously, which was in 2018. Before that, I was living in a life that I thought I had to live. So I was living a life of impressing others, making my parents happy, making others happy, doing what is right for society, doing what I thought was correct for a woman to do, for a daughter to do, for someone to be successful, right? I wanted to be successful because I thought success was the thing to do. I thought that was the thing that we all strive to do because everyone around me was trying to be successful. And when I discovered manifestation, the law of attraction in 2018, it changed my life forever. I was truly successful in the way that success feels. So I felt happy. I felt in control. I felt powerful. I felt like yeah, that anything and everything is possible, that I have so many opportunities, so many chances. And before manifestation, I felt like I only had one chance. I only have a certain amount of time. Time is ticking. We're running out of time. Uh, Making mistakes. I felt like I couldn't make mistakes. I felt like a failure. I felt like I was I tried to be perfect, right? I tried to do it right. And I was, if whenever I did make a mistake, it could be at work, it could be anywhere. Like I felt bad for like a week, right? I felt just shame, humiliation, and just like repeating the scene over and over in my head. It's like, wow, like I could have said it a different way. I could have done it a different way. I could have not spoken. I could have, what if I didn't go to this place, right? It's like 1 week at least, if not a little bit more, of feeling bad and shame and humiliation and, like kind of beating myself up for not being perfect. And after manifestation, and obviously the more I gained trust in myself, the more I gained self-confidence that like, man, like I am manifesting things. I am creating things. This is real. Like it's not like a one-time thing. I didn't get lucky. It wasn't like how do you say? Yeah, like I can't remember the phrase, but it wasn't luck, right? And it wasn't just like a random good day. No, I created this day. I did it. I thought of it first. It came out from me. So manifestation changed my life in a magical way. So I feel like I live in magic every single day because every day is my Canva. Every day is my choice, right? And before manifestation, I felt like I had no choice. It's like that's how life is. That's what this is the life that I got. This is the family that I got. These are the friends that I got. This is the relationship that I got. This is the body that I got. This is the career. This is my worth in this lifetime, right? It's like people are born in a certain way. People, it's like, how do others get so lucky, right? So I feel like I lived in a lot of jealousy and like injustice. It's like not fairness, right? And then with manifestation, I live in equalness. And yeah, it's like anything is possible. If that person can do it, I can do it too. Um, and I feel free, right? Because I'm choosing what I want to live. I'm not being forced to live by someone else's standards, rules of what success looks like and what everyone should be doing. So I definitely feel free. I feel at peace. I feel happy. I feel playful. I feel me. I feel like I am truly myself and I'm living a life that is me. So manifestation has brought me 100% freedom. peace, and anything that's a reflection of that. So my lifestyle, like I play a bunch of sports. Um, I'm still kind of playing the same amount of time in sports as I do work. And this was like my dream in my 20s, right? It's like I thought like my time was over to play sports, but in my 30s, it's like I learned new sports, I'm training, I'm in teams, I'm competing, I'm in leagues, I'm getting better. And it's like, yeah, manifestation just has given me freedom. Freedom to choose what I want, freedom to choose differently every day, freedom to change my mind, freedom to try new things and not feel guilty or bad, like, okay, like it's this or that. No, maybe I want to try this and then tomorrow that, right? So the freedom to just have fun and enjoy life, this experience we call life or human experience, like really like enjoy life instead of like waiting to die because life is so hard. I feel like before manifestation in my mid 20s, it's like life is so hard. Like why does life keep getting harder as I age? Right? I feel like it sucked being a human being. It sucked being an adult. It sucked just being, yeah, an adult, like more responsibilities, more fear, more surviving, more adult things, right? Like paying taxes, competition, rent, paying bills, all that. It felt so like intimidating. It's like I didn't even want to live in this kind of world. It's like living sucked, right? Like it wasn't fun. Survival, working 40 plus hours, doing work that I did not like. So it was like I wasn't enjoying anything of my life. And the only time that I did enjoy was when I was not working and when I was not living in Kansas and when I was not living with my parents, which was like very few moments. I lived on campus when I studied in college, so there I was happy. So it has given me the freedom to know that I don't need anyone to do what I want. Like I've been living alone since 2019, so traveling alone, moving to places, renting apartments, finding my own work, finding my own clients, attracting my own clients, attracting opportunities, networking, yeah, getting into communities. And I didn't have connections anywhere. Like I haven't talked to my parents in 5 years. So yeah, the manifestation gave me everything to be a sovereign, free woman and individual. Well, thank you for listening. If you got this far into the video, and let me know what you thought. Let me know how manifestation has changed your life. And if you would love to learn how to manifest the right way, because there is a way to manifest, you can buy a one-on-one session from me. You can buy one of my courses, my signature course, The Magic of Self-Love, which is the formula that I created from my personal experience on how to manifest anything in your life. Okay, beautiful people, I'll see you soon and have a beautiful weekend. Bye-bye.